Okay, so I'm grateful to be given the opportunity today to explain how Epson shapes the AR smart glasses world, and by not just focusing on what it can bring tomorrow, but more on what it can achieve today. It's true that it's very tempting to think about the tremendous augmented reality market as a futuristic one. And the level of the multiplicity of the application and the potential ideation can just be overwhelming. At Epson, we are bringing those tomorrows into today. We have been developing smart eyewear since 2011, and it's thanks to our strong projector heritage that we could enter successfully this market 5 years ago by making use of our micro panel that we refined in product development for our projectors. We design, we conceptualize, we manufacture all our smart glass using our core patented technologies within our own factories. That allows Epson to provide all the glasses that our customers may want in volumes without trading off the quality or the reliability of the finished product. So since now 5 years again, we have been through a product evolution, and we are about to launch our third generation of glasses. We think we are knowledgeable enough to understand there are a multiplicity of application and business that can be achieved today using smart glasses and AR. But they may require more than one type of product. The reason is that those actual use cases are already existing today. The hurdles that the smart eyewear and AR can overcome are here. You can use maintenance system to gain cost efficiency on the engineering side. You can get visitors at museum, get an enhanced experience thanks to the glasses, so that the museum can get loyalty from their visitors. You can get operas, theaters, cinemas, subtitling the movie for visitor in a live way, and then enlarge their target market. You can make doctors, dentists treat their patients more efficiently. You can even pilot a drone. So actually the limit of the application is just non-existent. There are many things that can be achieved already today and that are in the field. I will show you a quick video. Those are a few of the use cases that we have developed since the last 5 years. They are in the field, working today. the extent of application is just limitless, as you can understand. Epson is providing hardware, and we are focused on developing smart eyewear for different kind of market. But it's thanks to the partnership with independent software vendors that we could achieve all the solutions that you have concretely seen working in the field today. Those companies, they are very specialized, highly innovative, and located all through Europe to service end customers that might need very specific or streamlined solutions. But what are we talking about? Where smart eyewear can really actually create value? Actually, primarily, anywhere where you need hands-free solution. It concerns markets where the person can see overlaid image, overlaid in front of their real world, and have the hands totally free and act at the same time. It means solutions where the smartphone, the tablet, or even the VR helmet is not fitting. Means principally AR solutions. However, after all these years, we have found out that just having one model and thinking that you can fit all the applications we have seen before is not possible. We really need to now create a range that can fit different kind of requirements and different kind of application. We're going to have by the next quarter one full range of product with 4 different models. The first model will be BT300. This product is the world's lightest binocular see-through device, and it's silicon-based OLED powered. It has a high resolution, very high contrast ratio display. It will be mainly positioned for personal use, but it can achieve very high level of optical see-through, augmented reality application, and a lot of very streamlined and more personal application, such as piloting drones. The translucent smart glass can allow a drone pilot to see at the same time the drone, and as well the video feed or additional information. The video feed from the onboard camera will be projected right in its field of view, and it can simultaneously look at the drone and at the image projected. This first-person view piloting system will be probably the more reliable and safer way to pilot drones for drone hobbyists, but as well for lots of companies that are now seeing the added value of using drones in their sectors, such as first responders, real estate, professional photographers, agriculture, among others. And even if Moverio BT300 is not on the market yet, it's already a DJI certified accessory that can be used with DJI drones. Another major market that has been a very early adopter in the AR environment are arts and culture. Museum, operas, theaters, cinemas, sightseeing. They have been all really willing to kick off new projects at a very early stage. But they are very requiring, especially in terms of wearability of the device. When you are at the museum, for example, you never know who's going to enter the room. It's going to be a child, a woman, a man with a big head. So the wearability of the device is very key. And of course, they need a lot of specifications that serve their market, such as extended memory to deal with a lot of information, or multi-charging system. So we have co-developed a product for this kind of market called BT350, and that will be able to fit all these kind of very specific requirements. You want the visitor to get an enhanced experience while visiting an exhibition, but he should still see the exhibition itself. He needs to benefit from the nice painting and statues and pieces of art and get overlaid information right in his field of view and totally hands-free. It's where this kind of product is bringing a lot of advantages versus any other kind of device. However, when you talk to industrial customers, that's a brand new experience. It's another world. What they require is very tough product, very robust, waterproof, dustproof, that can fall on the floor at any time without being broken. So the robustness of the device really matters. And actually, we have developed a dedicated Moverio Pro version for this kind of applications that are extremely popular nowadays. Because they do exist, it's very easy to quantify, identify those kind of applications. Anything related to remote assistance, visual assistance, training, all the use cases around maintenance, they are very straightforward to understand for the company who want to put it in place and for the user as well, who are benefiting from the technology and the software developed. Which company wouldn't like that their engineer traveling all the time to maintain very complex machinery, complete at all time the work thanks to a very efficient remote communication system? Or creating training for non-experienced worker by just using a very simple and intuitive way of being given the information right in their field of view and acting at the same time. We are just heading to one human machine somehow. So those use cases are really important today, and they are growing a lot because, again, it's easy to do the math to understand how much benefit and how much cost saving it would bring to a company that would implement these kind of solutions. Quite often, when talking about smart eyewear and augmented reality, people think of a technology of the 22nd century. Actually, there are many applications that can be put in place today and that can already bring a lot of benefits to the companies in any kind of sector when they are using and implementing those solutions. They are efficient, they are cost efficient as well, and on the other hand, they can make as well companies discover different kind of applications in the processes they may use as of today. So why should we wait? We can bring those tomorrows into today. Thank you.